Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Finding your card number on the Bank of America app is super quick and easy, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Open the Bank of America mobile app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in with your username and password. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom navigation menu. You'll see several tabs including Accounts, Transfers, and more. Tap on the Accounts tab to see all your accounts and cards. Step 3. Find the debit or credit card you want the number from. You'll see a list of all your cards with their names and last 4 digits displayed. Click on the specific card you need. Step 4. When you open the card details, you'll see the full card number displayed right there on your screen. You can also see the expiration date and CVV security code in this same section. Step 5. If you need to copy the number, just tap and hold on the card number field, and you'll get the option to copy it to your clipboard. You can then paste it wherever you need it. That's it, you've successfully found your card number using the Bank of America app.